The Office of Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety East Khasi Hills District today organized an awareness-cum-training program on food poisoning and fortification at Puriang village. Speaking exclusively to DD News, headman of Puriang village, Lord Tipson Minsong, said that the awareness program gave more input and understanding on the safety for human consumption regarding the information and knowledge on fortification of rice, which was an issue spoken in various media platforms. With regard to food safety, Minsong said that in terms of community fest, there should be measures and informations also to the department on such fest. Meanwhile, Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety has advised all organizers of festivals and fests to obtain necessary permission from the Food Safety Department to avoid instances of food poisoning.
Tentang mengenai kalau viral sih tu, kemudian tentang mengisini jangan berok kiba perkam itu kau mengenai kiba berok yang berdek kau plastik, tentang bahadin bala wan itu kong berpensai, mengi nong sosong ila sungto, bah peleng tu kau mendera ubah snew, udah vitamin, tengah sekarang balang bah kena kejiwan tu kong bah tentang senong jengi, kui bagi senong rokin sungto, kiba iba berkam ini sungto bah udah kau udah vitamins udah kau kumbangi ong udah kau plastik